our donut and funnel cake flat bottom deep fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 29.5 inches, a depth of 41.25 inches, with the overall height of 34 inches tall. Located beneath the temperature control and all the internal components. Right here is your ETL certification stamp, along with the natural gas and the BTU information, all located here. Top cover and swung open. The second layer holder holding your donuts and funnel cakes can be placed on the right stand right here, acting as a base holding your products. And when you open the top swing door, insert the base underneath, close, and from there you can fry your donuts and funnel cakes. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.